So, you want to get DaVinci Resolve version 20 set up on your computer? I got you. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful video editing tool popular with creators in the USA and worldwide. To install it, first visit the official Blackmagic Design website and navigate to the DaVinci Resolve page. Check their support section for the latest downloads. As of May 2025, DaVinci Resolve 20 is available, likely as a public beta or final release, but always confirm the newest stable version. Choose between the free version or the paid studio version for your operating system, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and download the installer often after a quick registration. Before running the installer, check that your computer meets the system requirements listed on their site. Then run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions, carefully selecting any optional components you might need. Once installation is complete, you can launch DaVinci Resolve. And that's it.